Welcome to Spellbinders August 2026 Small Die of the Month Boo Crew Lab. Let's take a look at the dies included in this kit. These dies create burning candles. Die cut the pieces from colored cardstock. Next, layer to assemble your pieces as shown. These dies create a Halloween beaker with bubbling poison. Die cut the beaker from vellum and die cut the rest of the pieces from colored cardstock. Layer to assemble as shown. These dies create a Frankenstein cake. Die cut the pieces from colored cardstock, layer and assemble them as shown. Next, these dies create books. Die cut the front piece with a spine insert from colored cardstock, and die cut the background piece from mere gold cardstock. Adhere the two pieces together using glue. This way, the gold will show through the die cut sentiment opening. These dies create a mini pumpkin. Die cut pieces from colored cardstock and assemble as shown. We also included a die to create a little ghost and two dies to die cut a small and a large bat. Let's make a card. Stamp a sentiment from the August 2026 clear stamp of the month in black ink onto a coral cardstock panel cut to 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inches. Next, use the August 2026 3D embossing folder of the month. We'll need to do partial embossing. If you want to emboss a full panel, you can do so in the Platinum 6 machine. But if you want to do partial embossing using this embossing folder on an A2 panel, you'll need to use a larger die cutting machine, the original Platinum. Emboss your panel partially, leaving the sentiment area free from embossing. Create an A2 side-folding card base using the same coral cardstock. Adhere your embossed panel onto the card front. Stack 3 book die cuts. Next, adhere the books onto the background using glue and foam adhesive. Place candles onto the books. Add a mini pumpkin. Decorate the card with bats and finally add a few black gems. Thank you for joining Spellbinders Clubs. Have fun creating!